Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a buttonhole and how to do its cutting. Let's go and start. This is the foot which is required to make the buttonhole. It has two major parts, the foot holder as well as the button holder. First of all, we will keep the button in the holder so that we know how big buttonhole we need. I am using this button. It's time to adjust the foot. First of all, we need to keep the foot under the foot press in a way that its foot holder comes just under the shank, and press the foot press down. Press the lever up and bring the buttonhole guider down and align it with this. Now our foot is all set to sew. We need to bring the cloth underneath the foot and adjust it accordingly where we need to do the hole. Press the lever down. I select 35 stitch with this setting. When we're going to start the sew, do not stop in the middle. Let the machine stop by itself once it's finished the hole. As you can see how fine the machine is making the buttonhole. Now machine stop, it means that our hole is finished. I made in total 3 holes for my shirt. You can make it as much as you want. I am utilizing this tool. If you don't have, you can use the simple scissor. This is the simple way of making a buttonhole. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy watching my video. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.